Recording in progress.
Good evening, all. So, I will be doing OET reading part C. So, I'm waiting for few more students. Actually, they are in the joining now. Please wait for 2 more minutes. Okay, for those who are not familiar, how I will be doing part C, it's like it's difficult because it's online. There is limitation for that. So, either take screenshot. So, I will be showing the passage as well as the answer question. At that time, please take the screenshot, or you can use extra phone also with you, whatever you are feeling comfortable with. Please unmute. So it's like others, it will be difficult for others. For reading, we need concentration. So whenever you are having a doubt, at that time you can ask for that. Okay, once again let me repeat it. For those who we are doing reading OET part C. So it's a little difficult section for everyone. So see, all are joining now only. So I have to make them admit also. It will be a disturbing for us if I start class now itself. Anisha, I have unmuted you, and if it's needed, only unmute and ask any doubt. Okay. Okay, good evening all. So today we will be doing once again. Let me say all these things which I have repeat. I am going to repeat. So we are doing, since we are doing part C. So please keep an extra phone if you want, pen or paper if you want, and then we will be doing together. Okay. So definitely we have limitations since it's online. So please adjust with that. You can take two screenshot, one for passage and one for the question section, and then we can do those who already we will start now. Okay. Once you get the answer, please tell, and we can discuss together. Okay. So this is, see, actually I have to manage all this screen, and students, they will be joining late only. Okay, this is normal, so it happens. So for other students who are going to start, please focus here, because I have to deal multiple things. Okay, so this is the question. Please take one screenshot of this question number 15. And take the screenshot of this passage, and after finishing just tell me the answer, or two options are there, either you can do the chat so I can see, or you can unmute and say the answer, then we will go forward. Over. Manju, Manju George. Who got the answer? Those who join late, this is the question. Please take screenshot of this. Please take. If you want me to change the slide at that time, you have to ask. And this is the passage. Please start doing and tell me the answer. Those who started in the beginning, when I started this reading, please send me the answer or you can speak.
A.
A. What else? One second. Answer is A. Who told A?
Me. Parveen.
Parveen. Okay. How you got the answer? From which sentence? You are right. You got like that only. Which sentence? Anyone else got A?
Yes, ma'am. I got A.
How you got that? From which sentence you got?
This I treated 5 or 6 athletes. I had treated them for 5 or 10 minutes, and they had say I feel much better and run back onto the field. That sentence, and after that, the last sentence also it was a light bulb moment that said Finn is on the path to be becoming a leading research on the placebo effect.
Yes, actually, one second. From the same sentence only, we will get this answer. So it's like a football training sections spark Dr. Finney's interest in the placebo effect because, and we will be getting, when we read the entire thing, we will be getting he realized that spark. I realized ultrasound wasn't on, and from the same line we will get. And those who got another answers for option B, those who got option B, he took the opportunity to try out a theory about it. Did anywhere they are mentioning about any theory over here? So answer is actually no. If
Mm.
you no. So that's why it's like elimination method. You once you are doubt, if you are doubtful, you can do this elimination also. He made a discovery about how it works with group. He didn't do intentionally. He saw for himself. So he actually
Oh,
noticed.
yes.
That's the reason. This is the apt one. Here, that's why option C is not the answer. He realized he was more interested. That more interested in research than treatment. That comparison, it's not there. Okay. Okay, so that's the reason why answer is A. Now next question. Please take the screenshot. Those who join late, we will be doing the discussion of the part C. This is the question and this is the passage. Two screenshot, one for question, one for passage, and please do and tell me the answer. Answer. See, if you are making mistake also, it's fine. I know this part C is difficult section.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it right?
A is the answer. Okay. Which sentence? Which sentence? Parveen.
Ma'am, let me take the screenshot.
Yeah. Anyone else who got A? Yeah, Joyce. Who got A? That means everyone got wrong answer, right? Out of 24 students, only one person got A.
Ma'am, the last sentence, ma'am, the study examined 5 trials in which participants were told.
Okay. So the question here is, the writers suggest that doctors should be more willing to prescribe placebos now. See, focus on the question now, because it's like this two sentence is talking about past. Okay, so we actually don't have to read if you understood the question that it's starting from now. So don't focus on the what is past. Used to treat, past tense. For years, past tense. No, so don't read. Only start reading from however. Okay, so from there you have to focus. Okay, now research indicate that they are effective even without deceit. Deceit means fraud activities, something like that. Doing so honestly, without deceit or honest. Okay, so now how to do elimination. Recent studies are more reliable than those conducted. Actually, they are not doing any comparison, reliable or nothing. Okay, so that's why it's not the. So they have been accepted as a treatment by many in the professions. Read carefully those who got. They are actually not discussing about many professions who accepted that or not. You can tell me the sentence if you have doubt. Okay, they have been shown to relieve symptoms in a wide range of conditions. So actually, if you read this sentence in the initial, which was not supposed to be read, in that case you might have confusion with the starting. Might be, I'm not sure how you got that answer. So we will be doing this elimination, and then this is the reason why we got. Okay, now 16 answer is A, and then 17. Please do 17. Take the question. Please unmute. Joyce, you have to unmute. This is the question. And this is the passage. Question everyone got, right? And this is the passage. sometimes when we are doing, it's like your logical thinking might be different than mine. So it's not, don't think that it's wrong. So only we have to come up with the right answer. So you can correct me if I'm wrong also. No problem with that. Just we will be doing together. Keep that in mind. Anyone got the answer?
D, ma'am.
Yeah, anymore.
Ma'am. E. Yeah, D.
Which sentence?
Notch up nearly 3 million prescription in Australia annually. Significantly improves sleep quality.
Okay. Okay. Mostly related to word meaning. Mostly I'm saying it's like almost try to read within the same sentence. Focus on that sentence mainly. Okay. So Notchap and read and that same sentence 3 million prescriptions. So that's the reason why it is answer is widely used. Then for those who got the remaining answer, uh, native results we are not discussing, and I don't know which sentence if you got. So check if your answer is wrong, read once again and understand if why you got that wrong answer. Okay, you have to do that. Even after this class you can take time and do the revision or make yourself understand. Native result is not there, they could easily be replaced. Where is that replace sentence? They are extremely effective, widely used. And the sentence, see, this is the main sentence which talks about this. Okay, so don't fall for this sentence. Okay, so from there we got, and for we can do the remaining question. Okay, so this is the reason why I eliminated. So just keep in mind and read later if you want. 18th, take the screenshot. Or I think, isn't it? It's over.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Answer.
E.
Good. Who told the answer?
A.
Hi, Eddie.
A, ma'am.
So it's easy. Is it easy for everyone? Okay, from which sentence?
First sentence.
Okay, anyone else with a different sentence
No.
other than Maya? Parveen?
Ma'am, I got B actually, so that's why I
Okay, anyone else? Animal?
From the second sentence, no? Finney cites the open hidden effect whereby an analgesics can be twice as effective.
Okay, so anyone else? Maya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, see, so you, I told you different logic will be there, so you got answer from this sentence.
The first two sentence, ma'am.
Okay, two sentence. So
Yeah.
it's like overall meaning we have to go overall sentence, right?
Hmm.
Okay, so I got like another person told I got from the different sentence. So it means overall understanding. Okay. What points does the writer makes in the fourth paragraph? So what he is making, so we have to read the entire thing. See, actually elimination method, the method by which some students, for those who I eliminate first, the method by which a drug is administered, it's like orally, IV, IM. So they are actually not discussed about the method by which a drug is administered. So we can eliminate that. Theoretical side we can eliminate, it's not mentioning about that. So outcome of placebo treatment is affected by whether the doctors believe in it, not discussing all these points. So the way a treatment is presented is significant even if it is placebo. Okay. So actually from different sentence we got those who didn't get the answer, read once again.
ma'am actually which sentence is what uh, directly go to the answer actually because
Which
two people
sentence?
different. Actually, in which sentence it clearly mentioned the answer, ma'am?
Like that we won't get.
Oh, okay.
Actually I'm not getting from these two sentences, I'm not getting from the she got like that. So logical thinking difference for everyone. Direct answer it's no elimination is I applied elimination. The way a treatment is present is even if it is how they are presenting.
Okay. We need to conclude the sentence, right?
Overall understanding.
Okay. Actually, I got B, that's right. I didn't tell you.
It's okay. I told the method by which I discussed with student before, so I know what you make this kind of mistake.
Yeah.
So actually in this case it's like better I did all this elimination, okay? So if anyone has a better answer, please feel free to discuss, help everyone. Anyone? No, I guess. Okay, we will move on. 19th. Question. This is the passage, okay? This one. Please do, okay? You have the screenshot with you. Please take the screenshot. So I will be changing the slide now for one reason. And please read this. Take two screenshot, okay?
Information about them.
For this question, previous question in the fourth paragraph. So, sorry. It's like actually the way a treatment is presented. So it's like here one more sentence says that treatment is always partially medical and part ritual. It's like a ritual. This include the consulting room, even the doctor's clothing. So treatment is actually depend even on the doctor's clothing. So from there also we can actually make out. So that's what I got. Anyone else, any opinion? So please do the 19th question. And this is the passage.
Ma'am, it's C.
19, right?
Yeah, correct.
Let me check. Okay. Who else got B?
B.
All options you said.
Oh,
No, B I said. B.
You went for B.
Yeah.
Actually 19B.
B.
Yeah. Who else got B?
Me, man.
Yeah.
I gone like what? What we call it? Closing method.
Okay. Okay. That method. Okay. So you eliminated everything, removed everything, omitted, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Anyone who got answer B without omitting? Maya?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I thought C
See, you thought C.
because from the last two sentences.
This sentence.
Yeah, food packing, that one. Colgate is deploying similar tactics that occurs 30% chance of birthing. A side effect can be reframed as, so I thought that is collecting information more accessible to patients.
Okay, the information is accessible, but it's like it. Suppose more accessible. Okay, suppose this is one label is there, and so one label is there. One it's accessible to now. Whether more accessible, it's like the presentation is different. How they present that 70%, 30%. Okay, that is understandable. Are they changing the how the patient accessibility is? It won't be. That is not they are discussing. They are not. They told they will change the sentence.
Okay.
Okay, that's the meaning. Okay, so those who got C, they understood why the mistake happened, and for remaining, so how many of you got 19B? Okay, actually it's discussing in researching side effect, Colbury he's aiming to reverse that by exploiting the psychology. He want to reverse something. Reverse
Okay.
means reduce the number of people, the not direct synonym, who experience them. So whatever written over here, that he just want to reverse by using psychology. Okay, discover whether, actually this sentence I felt meaningless, I don't know. If you got A, you can tell which sentence. So C, we removed. Investigate whether pessimist patients are more likely to suffer from them. Okay, they are talking about pessimist patient over here. Did they mention more likely to suffer from
No.
them? No. So that's the reason. Now 20. And this passage.
Hello, ma'am. The answer is B.
Once again you try. Actually, all options have been discussed almost. Which one?
Last one, biological response.
Yes.
20 actually it's C. Okay.
See.
Eddie you got right.
Yes.
You are scoring today.
But you have research.
Okay.
Yeah. First something.
Actually, what all options they are discussing over here: body of research, placebo, biological response, disease process. All
Yeah.
option is here. What we can do? Understand one thing. It's like if they are telling it means okay. This is referring something. Okay. So it means actually you shouldn't be focusing on the remaining sentence or on that sentence. You have to read whatever it, the, that, like that sentence will be there. Okay. So it will be, answer will be before that. So focus on that there, and but here the problem is what all options is in the same sentence. Okay, this is actually you can if better method you can discuss. Body of research is the main topic. These are points, sub points, which is coming under the main topic. Okay, so it is the main topic. Only that is the only option. Other than that, you can discuss the body of. There is also body of research showing. So it's like showing is like there is also a body of research showing that placebo can produce. Again, it's like connecting small pieces. They are getting connected. Produce that could affect. Everything is actually connecting. Main thing is body of research. So from there, actually growing body of research is the answer. Difficult only. because we can't do this elimination because it's like everything is discussing in the one sentence. Now take this 21 question, 21st.
What does the writer tell us about others and evidence studies? The is exploding response. Which attributes governed by chance?
You are reading that question, Eddie. Say, please unmute. I was thinking you are telling me something.
Sorry.
Unmute it. See, it will be taking time. Actually, it's a waste of time if you are reading this multiple choice answer. Okay, so because it makes you confused and there is no time for 1 hour limitation is there. Because he read loudly, I understood his mistake. Okay, focus on the question and on the passage. This is the passage. You have to read the entire paragraph. If you want in the phone, you can do the editing and underline or do whatever you want. This is long passage and read the end. You have to read the entire thing. You won't get answer from one line. In the examination is sometimes if one question is taking more time, leave that question and in the end do that question because each question carries only 1 mark. So if you did your focus or your happiness shouldn't be that I have to do that in the order wise. It's your answers, it's your mark. You have to skip if you are not getting and go with because time limitation is there. Any answer? $21. Answer is B.
Mm.
focus on these lines because you can't underline there. That's the reason. Focus on these lines and read once again. This is not important. Green. See, two-person name is they are telling, right? So it's like others and you studies. Mark other e where it is written, and then try it. Read once again. Okay, I will explain and then you read. Okay. So writer tell us about others and Eve studies. So together, two persons. Okay, it should be two, not one. Okay. Both involve gradually reducing the dosage of drug. Actually related to other, gradually reducing, that they are not discussing at all. Here some sentence you might get confused, higher to lower dose, or from here you might get doubt. Okay, but both involving, it won't, because others and Eve study both, it should be combining, so it's not there. Now both examining the side effects caused by immunosuppressant. Aves is immunosuppressant word is related to Eve, but it's not, okay, it's not so much. Both examine, that sentence is not there. Okay, take time and read and understand later, because I am dealing with 27 students. I can't, it's not individual attention. So Ever is investigated whether the human immune system react to placebo as others. So it's not whether this actually sentence is not given. See, here and there immunosuppressant side effects, but entire meaning of that sentence, whether they are discussing that. So actually from here, actually either did something, and it was from that finding, actually from here, capitalize on these conditioning effects, and then she utilized, I don't know, she or he is exploiting a response which other discovered by chance, not intentionally, by chance. Elimination method, or skip this question and did do in the end. Okay, so this is the, please keep this screenshot also with you if you want, and then read later. Okay, so we will move on with the next question. Last one. Take the question. Take screenshot. And the passage. Anyone? One technique which is discussed, saying us tips and tricks and all. It's like part A paper you have to submit and start from the part C section, not from part B section, because we will be fresh at that time and we will be able to focus more at that time in the if you are starting with the part C rather than the part B. That is one suggestion which I heard. Try that in the examination hall. Answer.
Ma'am, D.
Which one?
The last.
D or B?
Last. D.
D. Okay.
D.
Because
D. Sentence 3.
here it clearly
Background
mentioned the
spiritual
medical education is largely about biomedical facts such as psychology. Get
This sentence.
this sentence. Yeah, like this, a philosopher of science.
So from here, these lines we are getting this answer. Medical education is largely or based on the medical fact, biomedical fact. It's purely based on fact. Placebos is depending upon psychology, which get marginalized, moving to side. Because like some explanation, placebo is shaped whole in the medical curriculum. It's just not a negative sentence, whole in the medical curriculum. Okay, so like that from there we will get that psychological than physical. Okay, particular subjects. This is why we eliminated. Okay, there are so many practical subjects which need to be covered, not discussed, not given. Those who train doctors do not believe that they are actually talking about training somewhere over here. But this training is not those who train doctors. It's not doctors, those who train doctors. Not at all discussed. Do not believe that they work, not given sentence. They can be administered without specialist training, not discussed. So this is the answer. Okay. So I discussed almost all questions. I discussed this part extract. So in that case, see those who joined late and you might have missed some questions. Actually, this is a good, I hope, good discussion. So please try to have a look at the recorded version. Okay. So don't miss, because even every time you won't get the part C section discussion. So that's the reason. Utilize the available class properly, and I will be doing part C discussion in the related to reading OET every Tuesday. So if you are finding difficulty with that portion, please join or otherwise watch the recorded version. So I am winding up my section now. Any doubt, any concerns? Okay, in that case, bye all.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.